Hi friends, welcome to IAS and College Connect YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is observable, what is observer and what is subscriber. Let's see what is observable, observer and subscribe. The observer is like a YouTube channels of someone else. Here you consider it's a IAS and College Connect YouTube channel. So what is the observer means? Here the observer is your YouTube account. Okay, so in your YouTube account is an observer. Now you are watching this video through your YouTube account or Gmail account. That is what the observer is all about. It is just considered you. Okay, so then what is the subscribe? Here you see your YouTube account can only get notifications about when I upload new videos in my YouTube channel. If you have subscribed to my channel, then only you will be going to get the notification, right? That is what the subscribe is all about. Hope you understand what is observable, what is subscribe, and observer. Here you see, this is my YouTube channel. Okay, that is IASN College Connect. This is you. You're watching my videos on your mobile. Okay, so when you this is YouTube channel is what this YouTube channel is as observable. It emit an event, that is it emit an asynchronous data, that is stream of data. YouTube channel, my YouTube channel having lot of videos, right? Okay, you are watching the video. Here you see your observer. So when you're going to click the notifications to my channel, whenever I'm going to upload the new video, you will be going to get a notification. This is what subscribe is all about. Hope you understand what is observable, observer and subscribe. Let's see how to implement it. First, where we are using these concepts. Here you see, this is your Angular application. This Angular application is going to communicate with the Spring Boot application for performing all the database operations, whether the user is going to perform the registrations or login or any other operations. Now we need to send the data from the Angular applications to the Spring Boot application, right? To perform all the registrations or login operations or searching or whatever the operations. Okay, so we are going to do it on the front end. We need backend support, right? By using this concept only, we are going to perform all this registration, login, and searching the data or inserting the new record or deleting or performing the update operations. All the operations we are going to do with the help of this observable, observer, and subscribe. Hope you understand what is observable, observer, and subscribe. So where we are going to use this, that also you coming to know in real time where we are using this observable, observer, and subscribe. Okay. So now we are going to see the simple example based on that in Visual Studio Code. Let's move to the implementation part. Now you see we are going to see how to implement this observable concept in the Angular. For that, first I'm going to create an variable. Normally, how we are going to create a variable in Angular? We are going to create an variable like this. Okay. So, but here we are going to create an observable variable. What is how we are going to create an observable variable? Same as the previous one, but here we are going to add one more symbol, that is a dollar symbol, to make it this one is going to be observable variable. Here we are declaring this data dollar is an observable variable, which means it can hold any kind of asynchronous data streams. Now we are going to type, this is going to be observable data variable, and I'm going to mention it is going to return, it is going to hold any data type of this. Okay, so now you're having the doubt that what is off method is all about. The off method is a functions from RxJS, that is a reactive extension of JavaScript that creates an observable that emits an value. This off method is going to emit an value. Let's see how to emit an values by using this off method. Okay, so here is I'm going to access the variable data by using this dot data dollar. Now you see we are going to emit an value, right? Okay, so in this off method, I'm going to pass some set of values. For example, we know that should be followed by a show, and that should be followed by Roshan and Niranjan. Right. Okay, so it's having list of values. Okay, so it is going to emit an data. Now we need to get all the data, right? Okay, so now we need to get all the data. How we are going to get all the data means by using subscribe method. So here you see this dot data dot. Okay, so we need to subscribe to the observable. Okay, so then only we can able to get the data, right? Okay, so for that I'm going to use a subscribe method. Inside the subscribe method, I'm going to write the fallback method. That is, inside this, I'm just going to write x is an variable or d is an variable. It is going to return by this observable. Okay, so now I need to consume this value. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write in the console log. In the console log, I'm just going to write console.log. Inside this, I'm just going to pass the value d. Right, we done. Okay, so here what I did, okay, so now I'm creating this data as an observable variable. Okay, so it is going to emit an asynchronous data. Here we are going to consume the values which is hold by this asynchronous as observable, right? Okay, so for that we are creating off method. Off method is nothing but it is a RxJS function. Okay, so that creates an observable that immediately emits a value, right? Okay, so it holding set of values. It is going to emit the values when you're going to call the subscribe method. So I'm going to this data is holding the value, so I need to call this data is nothing but it is observable variable data dollar subscribe. Okay, so we are going to make a call to this method observable variable. Okay, so now you see we are subscribing it. Okay, so then we are going to get all the data whichever this it's holding off method is holding. Okay, so now we are going to get the values Vinod and it is printing, then Ashok, then Roshan, then Niranjan. Okay, so this is the way how we are going to make a call from subscribe to the observable. Let's see the implementation part of this program. I'm going to execute this program. For that, ng serve -o. Now you see it's get open. Now I'm going to open in the console log to check all the values. Now you see we got all the values. This is the way how we are going to make a call from subscribe to the observable method. Hope you understand this video. In case if you like this video, please click the subscribe and bell button. Thank you.